Hi everyone, my name is Blaec Bejarano, and today I'm going to show you how to enable collaborator control for a compute server in the CoCalc platform. You can see I'm at CoCalc.com. I'm going to head over to my projects, and here I can select the project that I'd like to work inside of or create a new one. I'm going to go ahead and click on my first project. And at this point, what I would like to do is create a new compute server. So I'll head over to the servers button located on the left-hand side and make sure that the compute servers tab is selected. Then click create compute server. And here I can configure various parameters for the server that I'd like to create. But what I would like to go ahead and demonstrate is how to enable collaborator control. So at the bottom of this configuration panel, you can select the checkbox that says Allow Collaborator Control. And allowing collaborator control means that you are allowing project collaborators to start, stop, suspend, and resume this compute server, where the charges for the compute server are going to your billing account. So that is just a quick tip and trick on using the CoCalc UI. Please like, subscribe, and follow for more, and I will see you next time. Thanks again.